19 Clever DIY Laundry Room Ideas. Update your laundry room by using plywood to build a waterfall countertop that goes over your washer and dryer and wraps around the side. By using affordable materials, the countertop can be left plain or painted to any color and adds plenty of additional counter space to your laundry room for folding laundry or storing laundry baskets. Beautifully store your ironing board on the wall when it is not in use to save space in your laundry room by building a spot to hang the ironing board using 2 hooks and a block of wood. This easy DIY is the perfect project for busy people as it is quick to assemble. The pop of color on this DIY rope hamper is a great way to add some color to your laundry room. By wrapping a box with rope, and then painting the bottom of the rope with watercolor paint, you can make an affordable update to your laundry room with this clever project that is fun to do. Unfortunately, essential cleaning supplies needed for washing clothes such as laundry detergent, bleach, borax, or hydrogen peroxide often come in ugly plastic bottles that are an eyesore in your otherwise clean and beautiful laundry room. One quick remedy to the problem of large ugly cleaning products in plastic containers is to store them in beautiful glass bottles with custom labels that you can print using the free template of Boxwood Avenue. Once the decorative bottles are completed, gather them together in a small bin for a decorative accent. Keep all your essential items for mending clothes next to your ironing board with this clever ironing board organizer, which you can sew. The completed organizer drapes over the top of an ironing board and has storage pockets on either side to hold scissors and your other sewing essentials. Assemble your own huge laundry basket for your home to store all your laundry until it is time to wash all your clothes. This minimal laundry basket is made by using welded wire wrapped around a wood circle to form the hamper, and then wheels are added to the bottom of the hamper so you can easily move around your room as needed. If you are tight on space in your laundry room, there might not be enough floor space to place a regular ironing board, but a space-saving solution is to make your own magnetic ironing mat to iron your clothes on that you can place over your washer or dryer. Save space in your laundry room by hanging your delicate clothes to dry on this wall-mounted drying rack that you can pull down from the wall and lay the clothes over the rods or bottom hooks. This durable drying rack, once installed, will quickly become a laundry room essential item that you will use all the time to let your clothes air dry. While wire laundry baskets are beautiful and affordable to make, the spaces between the wire grid allow for small articles of clothing to fall out of the basket. An easy solution is to line a wire laundry basket with a beautiful, patterned fabric liner that you can sew to go within your wire basket to store your clothes. When it comes time to do your laundry, you can just pull out the fabric liner and bring the fabric bag down to the washing machine. As an added bonus, the fabric pattern on the basket liner will show through the wire hamper, adding a bit of additional color to your room. Make the most of the space beside your washer and dryer by building a plywood shelf that can be painted to match your laundry room to store 2 laundry baskets, along with providing additional storage space on top for detergent. The simple shelf is easy to build and a perfect project to try this the weekend to organize your laundry room. Make your own set of laundry room storage baskets to keep everything organized by sorting clothes into either the wash or wear bin. You can make your own set of storage bins by crafting stencils that say wash and wear using a free template, and stencil the design onto plain cloth storage bins using paint to give your laundry room a stylish update. Once completed, the bins make a great accent to open shelving you have over your washer and dryer. Easily store and transport your laundry to the laundromat or your parents' home with this huge drawstring canvas laundry bag with a durable shoulder strap that you can decorate with a hand-painted washing symbol and the word wash underneath. If you are tired of the look of your old washer and dryer, you can easily give it a temporary and easy to remove graphic makeover that is renter-friendly. By using electrical tape, you can cut out small circles to create dots, or you can cut long strips of electrical tape to create decorative stripes. Help prevent laundry mistakes when someone puts the wrong item in the dryer, such as sweaters that could shrink or a dress that needs to be hung to dry. You can make your own dryer decal using a silhouette machine and removable vinyl to make a decorative reminder you can stick on the washer that says, "These items can't go in the dryer." A magnetic dry erase marker can be left next to the decal so that whoever puts the clothes in the washing machine and write down everything that cannot go in the dryer for an easy reminder when it is time to remove the clothes from the washing machine. Keep all your clothespins together so they are easy to find next time you do laundry and want to hang your clothes on a drying rack or outdoors on a clothesline. This clever hanging DIY clothespin bag can be hung up on a clothesline or drying rack and has a large opening so you can reach in and grab clothespins as you set your laundry to dry. Next time you need to clean your clothes in the laundry room in your apartment building, save yourself the hassle of searching for coins by having a bunch of quarters in a bag to use for the laundry machines. This beautiful script laundry money bag is made by using a template to cut the design onto iron-on vinyl, which can be applied to a pencil case. Decorate your laundry room by making your own hanger artwork to hang on one of the walls in your laundry room with this easy DIY, where you stencil a hanger silhouette onto a wood plank background made out of scrap pieces of lumber. Help keep your clothes sorted while you travel so you can always find your clean clothes in your suitcase by storing all your dirty garments in your own homemade laundry bag that is made by using an iron-on design onto a muslin bag. Once you return from your vacation, doing laundry will be simple, as you can grab the bag of dirty clothes, wash and return all the unworn clothing to your closet. Skip buying a delicates bag to protect your fragile garments such as undergarments when you put them in the washer and dryer by crocheting your own delicates bag, which you can use the next time you do laundry. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.